Imagine a garden, so peaceful. Flowers in bloom, sunshine warm on your skin. This is where you find serenity. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves. Birds sing sweetly. A tiny waterfall trickles nearby. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Can you feel it? The garden welcomes you. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's therapy for the soul. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to listen to the earth's calming rhythms, to escape the hustle and bustle of life. In a world of chaos, the garden offers a sanctuary, a place to find peace and tranquility. So put on your gardening gloves and let's explore the wonders of ASMR gardening. Listen closely. Can you hear the leaves whispering, the wind composing its melody through the trees? Each rustle and sigh is a note in nature's orchestra. It's incredibly soothing. The birds are the star performers. Their cheerful melodies fill the air, creating a symphony of sound that uplifts the spirit. A gentle breeze joins the chorus. Rustling leaves create a soft, white noise, blocking out distractions. And then there's the water, the gentle trickle of a fountain or a nearby stream. Water has this magical ability to calm the mind. It's like a soothing balm for the soul. These sounds aren't just pleasant, they're therapeutic. Studies show that natural sounds reduce stress and anxiety. They lower your heart rate and blood pressure. Nature has a way of healing us, if only we take the time to listen. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's that tingling feeling you get from certain sounds, like whispering or the crinkling of paper. And guess what? Gardening is full of ASMR triggers. The gentle scraping of a trowel against the soil, the soft thud of soil hitting the roots, the gentle tearing of weeds. All these sounds create a symphony of sensations. Even the act of watering plants can be an ASMR experience. The water hitting the leaves, the gurgling of the watering can. It's like music to your ears. And don't forget about harvesting. Snipping herbs with scissors, the satisfying snap of a ripe tomato off the vine. These sounds are incredibly satisfying and relaxing. Ready to experience the magic of ASMR gardening? It's easy. Start by choosing a quiet spot in your garden, a place where you can relax and unwind. Next, gather your tools. Choose tools that make gentle, pleasant sounds. A wooden-handled trowel, a metal watering can, or even just your bare hands. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath and tune into the sounds around you. The rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the gentle breeze. Let these sounds wash over you. Focus on the task at hand, whether it's weeding, watering, or simply touching the plants. Lose yourself in the moment and let the stress melt away. Gardening is a sensory experience. It's not just about the sounds, it's about the smells, the textures, and the sights. Take a moment to appreciate the soft, damp soil beneath your fingers. Inhale the sweet fragrance of flowers. Admire the vibrant colors of the petals. Gardening engages all your senses, creating a truly immersive experience. And the best part? You don't need a huge garden to enjoy ASMR gardening. Even a small balcony or window box will do. Just a few plants can transform your space into a tranquil oasis. So next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, step outside into your garden. Listen to the whispers of the wild and let nature work its magic. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a journey of self-discovery, a chance to connect with nature, and a wonderful way to invite serenity into your life. So embrace the garden, listen to its whispers, and experience the joy of ASMR gardening. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it.